The sun is shining. I like to play. She is my friend. This is my book. We are going home. He has a cat. They are happy. It is raining. I have a pen. The dog is barking. She loves to dance. We are playing outside. He is reading a book. The sky is blue. I can run fast. She is wearing a red dress. They are singing a song. The bird is flying. We like ice cream. He is eating an apple. The flowers are beautiful. I am drawing a picture. She is cooking food. We are going to school. He has a bicycle. The cat is sleeping. I am wearing shoes. She is my sister. We are watching TV. He is playing football. The moon is bright. I am feeling happy. She is drawing a star. We are eating dinner. He is brushing his teeth. The car is red. I like to read stories. She is learning to swim. We are planting a tree. He is drinking milk. The house is big. I have a new toy. She is wearing glasses. We are going to the park. He is doing homework. The fish is swimming. I am playing with my dog. She is reading a storybook. We are making a sand castle.